Okay, so now in the pretty much the final step, what we're going to do is we're going to have it where when we add a cart and we go through this checkout process, we want to show everything here on this finalized checkout. So that's what I'll do now. First of all, let's go into the checkout view itself and scroll down to the finalized checkout. Really, it's pretty straightforward. So shipping address is going to be object.shipping address. And then I'll just call it get address, something like that. We don't have that method yet, but we will. And then billing address, cart total, or we could also have that, but also the cart items. So cart items. And we could just do a quick little for loop here for product in object.cart.products.all. Quick little for loop that says product. And we'll just say, for the comma, we'll just say if not for loop last. Okay, little shortcut there. Refresh, we got cart items, t-shirt, shipping address, billing address, not rendering. So let's go into our addresses and make some sort of a render for that. So get address, we'll just return. Well, we're going to return pretty much just a string here that will have the addresses. So address, well, let's do line 1. And I'm going to do break tags here. And then line 2, another break tag, city, break tag, and state, postal, and then country. And then we'll just do format. Line 1 equals to self.address line 1. Line 2 equals to self.address line 2. City equals to self.city. State equals to self.state. Postal code or postal equals to self.postal code. And country equals to self.country. Cool. And since I have inline HTML here, I want to mark it as safe. So I just thought that, hey, these lines here might cause some issues, as in, what if somebody puts like a HTML line in here? So we are just going to leave that out for now. I'll just say in. So /in. That's it. Okay, refreshing here. We now see these items here. So I have none. That's obviously not that ideal. So, maybe you would want to have or like that. So it's just an empty string. But there we go. So now we've got our shipping addresses. Let's maybe put a comma there. And it's definitely looking a little bit more like what you would think as far as a checkout is concerned. And this is pretty much where we're going to leave it. But let's go to products. We didn't finish that checkout. Notice that we didn't finish it. I go to add, checkout. It brings me right back. Really cool, right? So I've already done the address and all that stuff. New total, new shipping address, showing my different products. I want to add one little space inside of there. And my checkout. Let's add a space right after this, comma. Okay, so there we go. Products again, hat, add a cart, go to the cart, checkout, calculated. Everything is working as we wanted. The last thing is this checkout button. Let's add a better class to it. And we'll say class BTN and BTN success. And then finally, I will go into my cart. I'm going to make a checkout complete. We'll do define checkout done, or yeah, let's leave it as checkout done. And we'll take in request, checkout done view. And we're going to return render carts checkout done. Okay. Simple little HTML file in there. Say that as checkout done. Extend. Let's just copy home, the cart home. Bring it into checkout done. Delete the stuff that's inside here. And I'll just do div class equals to column 6 mx auto. And then just h1 class equals to, I think display one is one of them. It might not be, but thank you for your order. I'm also going to do px or py, and we'll do 5. And then I'll also do text center. Great. And oh, we need to add that view. So let's grab it and bring it in here. And this is going to be success, checkout, and success. Checkout dash, or well, let's just call it success. Okay, and then that final redirect, we want to just change it from cart success to being cart. Did we call it success? Oops, there we go. Yep, cart success. Okay, save it. Refresh in the checkout, finalize checkout. We hit checkout. Context is not defined. Oh yes, of course it's not. And that's this right here. Put empty dictionary there. Oops. Refresh. Thank you for your order. Woo! One last shot. Let's try it again. Add to cart, checkout. One of our old addresses. Twice. Finalize checkout. Boom. We have the order completed. It's done. We have now completed that checkout process with the exception of a few things. And yeah, we can improve it. And there's probably still bugs. And you know, why do we use function-based views and not class-based views? Like all of these things are understandable questions. Now, I want to say to you is the purpose of this was to show you how it's done, to get it done as effectively as possible, and then have the knowledge that, hey, we might have to come back to improve this. Hopefully, we won't have to improve it very much, and that's why this whole section was fairly comprehensive. I mean, we added a ton to our project in this component in just a few videos. I mean, yeah, probably like 20 videos or so, but still, it's still covered a lot. So hopefully you guys got a lot from this. Let me know in the comments how you did with everything we did here, because again, we went through a lot. I realize that. I just want to hear from you guys and see and make sure that we're on the right track. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.